starts with light and ends with light, and in between there is darkness. Nothing there is beyond hope, nothing that can be sworn impossible, nothing left unimagined. In the ongoing search for self, there are days when we learn something genuinely new. Something uncovered, hidden, that we never knew was there. Something that surprises us. And on that day of self-discovery, the question remains: what kind of person are we? There is good and there is evil, right and wrong, heroes and villains. And if we're blessed with wisdom, then there are glimpses between the cracks of each where light streams through. We wait in silence for these times, when sense can be made, when meaningless existence comes into focus and our purpose presents itself. And if we have the strength to be honest, then what we find there, staring back at us, is our own reflection, bearing witness to the duality of life. That each one of us is capable of both the dark and the light, of good and evil, of either, of all. And destiny, while marching ever in our direction, can be rerouted by the choices we make, by the love we hold on to, and the promises we keep. For every being cursed with self-awareness, there remains the unanswerable question: who am I? We struggle to find meaningful connections to one another. Each of us alone must answer the question: who am I? What does it mean to be alive?